Hi guys, so welcome to London. We have made it to our hotel room. We got early check-in, which is always good, especially because it's so hot today. So we're just gonna have a bit quick freshen up and just get back out there. The hotel we're staying at is Hotel H10 London Waterloo, so that's good. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. We've booked the London Eye View room, so we have an amazing view. You can just see it there. So yeah, let's get on with that. So this is the view as you come in and at the door. So this is the wardrobe, safe, hairdryer, mirror, and I'm guessing, yeah, ironing board, coat hangers. There's a Jason around the corner. This is the bathroom. I've not been in here, so I don't know what it looks like. Pretty standard. Swap camera over so it's wider. Sink, bath, glasses, toiletries. That's all good because I fetched the Lush bath bomb. There's even scales in case we wanted to weigh ourselves. So nice big bed, looks comfy. It's not a huge room, but it is really nice and modern. Looks lovely and clean. Admiring the views. TV, coffee machine. We will be getting a bottle of cava and things brought to the room, but that'll be later. And then this is basically what we've paid for. Look at that view. I can't wait for tonight because I know the London Eye lights up different colours. I think there's the, is that the BT tower, that one? Yeah, that one further in distance?
Yeah, that's correct. Oh,
you can see O2. Look, he's back on with his posh accent. Now he's in London, he can do it, I suppose.
I don't want to have an accent. I sound like Australian.
I'm gonna say I don't think that was rare. But yeah, some more views. Yeah, so that's it really. This will be my side because no one's getting me first. So yeah, let's that's that. Hi. So we have come for a walk, since it's absolutely glorious today, to the South Bank. See the London Eye there. So we're just gonna have a little walk up and down there, see if we can see anything. Took a load of obligatory Instagram shots around the London Eye. And then I think we're gonna go for food maybe at Camden Town, or see if what's on here, because I really want to do like a food video there. So yeah, let's show you around London. From Camden, we got off at Tower Bridge, didn't we? We're at Tower Bridge. God, that sun's so bright. Bad time to start video. But we're just walking along the riverbank back towards the London Eye, because then we know where our hotel is. And that's it really. Oh, that's Shakespeare's Globe. Are we going right way?
Oh, that's sorry.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I should get Google Maps up. That could be an idea. update, we were walking the right way. It's just on a bend, so that's why we can't see London Eye. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, I guess you'll keep on coming with us, I guess.